Hello, American Creeper here, and I'm going to show you my airsoft guns. CT Wolfpack was talking shit the last video about how it's lame and stupid. First, set the mood and put on my mask. Yeah, there we go. Bata. Let's show you this thing. AK-74U, foldable stock. Let me get that from mag. I just went airsofting and I have this huge duffel bag. So let's get this. I was on the red team. Really nice gun. I would show you how it fires, but I'm in my room, so that'd be a huge problem. Just like a little close up. It's full metal except for this, the handle. The mag is plastic, unfortunately, which sucks. Iron sights are awesome. They're beautiful, like a real AK. I feel like I'm playing Black Ops 2 as I put this thing on. You put the battery up in here. You it's realistic, and you see, just put the battery in there. It's a stick, unless you got 6 hours. Now, this is the cool thing about this gun. Right here is the safety, whatever, but it's in Russian characters, so the safety doesn't have anything. The automatic is the first choice. The Russian's first choice is always automatic, clearly. It says AB. When you put it all the way down to semi, it's AO. So, obviously, Russian's first choice is automatic. Clearly. And then there you go. Yeah. So, this is we're going to change the FPS on it. See if your battery's in or not. You can adjust your iron sights. Even the putting in the clip is like a AK. See that thing, whatever. It's a really nice gun. I only got for $118. And yes, CT Wolfpack is pussy.